Most car owners unknowingly destroy their engines with simple mistakes every day. But professional mechanics have secrets that can make an engine last twice as long. Today, we're revealing these insider tips, from maintenance hacks to driving habits, that keep engines running smoothly, efficiently, and reliably for years, saving you thousands in repairs. Regular oil changes using high-quality oil. Mechanics know oil is the lifeblood of your engine. Using high-quality synthetic oil and changing it at recommended intervals is the first secret to longevity. Synthetic oils resist breakdown, reduce friction, and maintain protection under high temperatures. Professionals often change oil slightly earlier than manufacturer recommendations to prevent sludge buildup. Regular oil checks and timely changes ensure the engine components stay lubricated, reducing wear and tear and extending lifespan dramatically. Using the right fuel grade. Another hidden secret is always using the fuel grade recommended by your manufacturer. Premium fuel isn't always necessary, but using a lower grade than recommended can cause engine knocking, carbon buildup, and decrease efficiency. Mechanics often clean injectors regularly and avoid cheap fuels with high ethanol content, ensuring the engine burns cleanly and runs smoothly. Clean fuel and proper octane levels protect valves, pistons, and spark plugs from premature wear. Maintaining proper coolant levels and flushes. A mechanic's trick for engine longevity is keeping the cooling system in perfect condition. Coolant prevents overheating and corrosion inside the engine. Professionals flush the system and replace coolant at regular intervals to prevent sludge, rust, and gasket failure. They also inspect hoses, radiators, and the water pump, ensuring no leaks compromise the system. Preventing overheating and corrosion is essential for engines to last significantly longer. Replacing filters consistently. Fuel and cabin filters may seem minor, but mechanics know they directly affect engine health. A clogged air filter reduces airflow, forcing the engine to work harder, while a dirty fuel filter restricts fuel flow and strains a fuel pump. Regular filter replacements ensure clean air and fuel reach the engine, improving performance, efficiency, and longevity. Mechanics often replace these filters slightly before they get dated to prevent any risk of wear. Timely spark plug and ignition maintenance. Old or worn spark plugs can cause misfires, poor fuel efficiency, and engine stress. Mechanics replace spark plugs before they wear out fully and inspect ignition components for proper performance. Healthy spark plugs ensure complete combustion, reducing stress on pistons and valves. Ignoring this leads to incomplete combustion, carbon buildup, and extra wear, shortening engine life. Proper ignition maintenance keeps engines running efficiently for years. Avoiding short trips. Mechanics often emphasize that frequent short trips, especially in cold weather, are harmful. Engines need to reach operating temperature to burn off moisture and prevent sludge formation. Professionals recommend occasional longer drives to fully warm up the engine. This secret prevents oil dilution, corrosion, and premature wear, which many car owners don't realize. Following this habit can double engine life over time. Gentle driving and RPM control. One of the simplest secrets is controlling RPMs and avoiding aggressive driving. High RPMs, hard acceleration, and abrupt stops put unnecessary stress on engine components. Mechanics advise gradual acceleration, steady speeds, and gentle braking to minimize wear. Smooth driving reduces heat and stress on pistons, bearings, and valves, preventing long-term damage. Consistently practicing gentle driving habits can extend engine life dramatically. Regular engine diagnostics. Mechanics run regular engine diagnostics to catch small issues before they become major problems. Sensors, misfires, and minor leaks can quietly damage engines over time. Early detection allows timely repairs, preventing catastrophic failures. Using OBD2 scanners or professional inspections ensures the engine is healthy, all systems function optimally, and potential problems are addressed immediately. Preventive diagnostics are a secret tool for longevity. Proper maintenance of belts and hoses. Timing belts, serpentine belts, and hoses wear over time. Mechanics replace them proactively before failure occurs. A broken timing belt or failed hose can destroy an engine instantly. Regular inspections, combined with preventive replacement, prevent catastrophic damage. Mechanics know that belts and hoses are the silent protectors of engine components, and maintaining them extends engine life. Fuel system cleaning. Mechanics often use professional-grade fuel system cleaners or flushes to prevent carbon buildup in injectors, valves, and intake manifolds. Keeping fuel pathways clean ensures smooth combustion, proper efficiency, and less strain on engine components. Monitoring fluids beyond oil. Beyond oil and coolant, mechanics monitor transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and differential fluid. Neglecting these can indirectly stress the engine. Healthy supporting fluids reduce mechanical resistance, ensure proper lubrication, and prevent overheating or excessive load on the engine. Regular checks and timely replacements are a simple secret to preventing slow engine deterioration. Avoiding overheating in stress conditions. Engines last longer when not pushed to extremes. Mechanics often stress the importance of avoiding long periods in high heat, heavy towing without preparation, overloading the vehicle. Monitoring engine temperature, using proper oil viscosity, and following manufacturer guidelines for towing or load limits reduces internal stress. Using engine treatments and additives wisely. Professional mechanics sometimes recommend additives like fuel injector cleaners, oil stabilizers, or anti-wear treatments. When used correctly, these additives reduce friction, clean critical components, and enhance oil performance. While not a substitute for regular maintenance, they are a secret tool to maximize engine life, particularly in older vehicles or those with high mileage. Regular tire maintenance for engine health. Mechanics know that engine longevity is indirectly affected by tires. Improperly inflated tires increase rolling resistance, forcing the engine to work harder, consume more fuel, and wear out faster. Keeping tires inflated to proper levels reduces unnecessary engine load and contributes to overall efficiency and durability. This simple habit is often overlooked but significantly impacts long-term engine performance. Consistent professional inspections. Finally, mechanics recommend regular professional inspections, even when the car seems fine. A trained eye can detect subtle vibrations, noises, or leaks that indicate engine stress. Catching these small issues early allows preventive maintenance that doubles engine lifespan. Conclusion: mechanics have secrets that most car owners don't know. Timely oil changes, proper fuel, coolant care, gentle driving, and preventive inspections are just a few of the ways to make your engine last twice as long. Ignoring these tips silently damages your engine and costs thousands in repairs. Follow these expert strategies, protect your investment, and enjoy a smooth, reliable ride for years. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who wants to get the most out of their car engine.